Good day. Bill Hubbard, Coldwell Banker, executives in beautiful British Columbia. This is your housing market review for July of 2025 for the Fraser Valley. The Fraser Valley is in a correction. It is not in a major correction. Things are not just falling like a rock, but it is taking a slight downturn and has been for the last few months. If you look at the absorption here, we have to go all the way back to June of 2024 before we hit above that 12% mark. Although there was one in January of 2025 was 12.55% actually. But generally, the absorption has been below that 12% mark. And the 12% mark is that hash mark. Between 12 and 20% is a balanced market. Below 12% is a buyer's market. Above 20% is a seller's market. And so we're definitely in a correction range, although it's not a major correction. If you do the averages here on prices, whether you use average price or median price, you will come out to the assumption that prices are basically flat. They're inching down a little bit, but basically they're flat and have been for a little while, even though there was a correction in 2023, 2024. As far as prices go. Sales is where it really shows. If you look at the housing sales for July of 2025, right here, there's 397. You go back to July of 2024, there's 452. Pretty substantial drop in sales. You go back to July of 2023, there was 1,300. So you can see that the sales are down dramatically in the Fraser Valley. I do believe that as the United States and Canada put a deal together for trade, and interest rates are likely going to be steady all year for the rest of 2025, but I do see them coming down in the first quarter of 2024. If you see those two things happening, consumer confidence will increase in all areas across the country, and in fact, North America will probably start into a slow recovery trend. So that's your market review for the Fraser Valley for July of 2025.